In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send pictures through Meta AI on WhatsApp. We'll be spending the next 5 minutes together, ensuring you feel confident with this straightforward process. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open WhatsApp on either WhatsApp Web or WhatsApp Desktop. It's crucial that your phone is linked to the web or desktop version to access your chats. This can be done quite easily by scanning a QR code on the screen with your phone's WhatsApp app. Once you've done this, you're all set. Next, locate the Meta AI icon. This might be on your main screen sidebar, or you might need to open a chat with Meta AI directly. It's similar to starting a new conversation with a friend, only this time you're engaging with Meta AI. By having this set up, you can leverage its features to enhance your WhatsApp experience. Now that you've accessed a chat with Meta AI, you'll see several icons available for use in the chat input field. Here, you'll want to find the paperclip icon commonly used for attaching files. Alternatively, there might be an image icon specifically for photos. Clicking either of these will begin the process of selecting a file to share. It's designed to be intuitive, so you should quickly find yourself on your computer's file selection dialog. Your next step is to choose the picture you want to send. Navigate through your files and select the image you wish to share. Once done, simply click Send, and your picture will make its way to the chat. It's as easy as selecting a photo for an email or any other type of messaging app. But wait, there's more exciting functionality available. If you'd like, you can add a message to accompany your picture. By typing a prompt like, "Edit this photo" or "Describe this image" before you hit send, you're inviting Meta AI to work its magic. It's a fun and interactive way to enrich the basic task of sending a picture. Once you send your picture along with the prompt, it's time to sit back and wait for Meta AI's response. Meta AI will analyze your image based on the prompt you provided, offering you an edited version or a detailed description, depending on what you've requested. This is where technology truly shines, transforming a simple image into an enhanced or comprehensively described version. And there you have it. Sending pictures through Meta AI on WhatsApp couldn't be simpler, yet it effectively opens up a world of possibilities for how we interact with images in our conversations. I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to revisit it anytime you want to refresh your memory on the process. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.